Hi, this is Yami Gautam.
Hi, this is Vicky Kaushal and you're watching me on Bollywood Times.
You know that insanity we mention in movies? Yeah, that's exactly what my next guests have done. From burning the funeral pyre to saving his best friend's life and him avenging his soldier's death. Well, the man is living on the edge. With the man, I have a woman who, romanced a sperm donor, and today she mouths a dialogue that goes...
It goes?
ज़्यादा नाटक किया तो तेरे अखरोट तेरे मुंह से बाहर निकाल दूंगी.
The Akhrots ladies and gentlemen. Presenting you the man and the woman, Vicky Kaushal and Yami Gautam. Welcome to Bollywood Times.
Thank you.
Yeah, I was suddenly, and I just thought of it, wow, from sperm donor to the Akhrots, that's quite a good journey. Will Uri start a dialogue again? Because off late what we've seen is after Imran Khan becoming the Prime Minister of Pakistan, and suddenly this whole thing has started about, dialogues, let's have a good dialogue, both the nations, let's talk it out and solve our problems, which we've been facing since decades. But Uri, of course, will it?
I think more than dialogue, it will instigate a feeling of patriotism in a much more deeper way. We have tried to portray a story which even the youth have witnessed it. The older people have witnessed it. It has been a very recent event, and we have tried to show them what happened really behind closed doors, how the planning happened, how the forces came together, how the intelligence came together, and it was one of the most covertly and the most efficiently performed military operations in the history of Indian military, and which I feel as part of this film who've contributed to the story in depicting this story. We feel very proud that something of this sort happened after knowing what happened, and we just hope that every patriot of every country would connect to the story, would connect to their armed forces, their valor, their sacrifices, and respect them, love them a bit more.
Well said. Debate or dialogue? आपने dialogue बोल दिया, debate के बारे में बात करते हैं. Because generally,
there have not been debates. We've heard them before. We've seen them before. We've read about them in papers. And till the time it doesn't really come into a concrete action, when we're really talking about peace, none of us have a certain answer that till when will it go on. But I don't think if you ask the citizens of both the countries, none of us want war. None of us want what happens at the border. So he said it very rightly. I think Uri is a very humble attempt. It's a very humble medium to reconnect with the inner patriot that's somewhere there. But I think the max that I see it are, I think, just on 2 dates, which is 26 Jan and 15th August is when we talk about, I think, all the Desh Bhakti songs, and all the channels are playing your whatever cinema we got on patriotism. But I think Uri is about today's India, is about today where we stand. It's about it mouths today's the voices of today's nation, that where we are, in a very matter-of-fact kind of a pace. Not trying, there's nothing loud about it. There's nothing caricaturish about it. There's nothing pretentious about it. It's straight. It's point blank. So that's the new India. I think that's the well-said first line in the trailer. So we hope to infuse that emotion, reinfuse rather, once again.
There's Sarkar 3. There's Batti Gul Meter Chalu, and there's Uri. Have you been binge watching Raging Bull? Like, seriously. I mean, this whole transformation of, pictures are beautiful and suddenly she's doing these films that are hardcore, man. And that too back to back. It's not like a gap of 2 years, huh? How does that happen?
I think Sarkar happened at a point, especially Sarkar, when no one actually imagined me in that grey. I won't call it dark. I think a grey kind of space. I know the film didn't do well, but that's all right. To be a part of a Sarkar franchise, for me to be in a film where Mr. Bachchan is there, I think that was more than enough. So, and a lot of people did have another opinion that you shouldn't do it because everybody has a certain image, or what if it doesn't do well? I'm like, that's okay. That's okay. I can't think about the result beforehand. How can you ever monitor that? I really want to do it. I've got an opportunity. Somebody saw something that, okay, what if we just, see it in a different light from what I've been doing before? That is also me.
Yeah.
And this is also me. And all of us have a grey in us, right? So I think it's kind of fun.
You know, selecting tough roles, that to a woman. I mean, I can understand, you know, Vicky Kaushal doing a Sadashiv Amrapurkar in, you know, from Sadak. It's a role that doesn't come to you often because the subject is such.
But I think times are changing. Writers are getting empowered because the audience has evolved in a very beautiful way. We as a society have evolved in a very beautiful way where it's not a surprise that, oh, women, strong parts, it's not a surprise anymore. So we are just, I think, embracing, we have just come to a time where we have just learned how to embrace the reality. That's it.
And it's an amazing time for actors, man.
Absolutely. Any creative person for that matter.
Once I saw the trailer of Uri and the first instance I recalled, wow, I mean, wouldn't Shyam Kaushal ji love to choreograph action in a film like that? Huh? Come on, say it.
Of course.
Have you? Because for him, he would see it more from his point of view, right? Like, dude, ये action film है. Vicky Kaushal, मेरे बेटे की film. This is action film. I mean, did he have?
But हमारे लिए उल्टा है कि action film तो बहुत किया है. इसमें मेरा बेटा है.
Yeah.
So उनके लिए वैसा होता है.
Did he mention? Did you discuss how the actions were choreographed?
Not in details, but all he actually just told me in like a nutshell was just be safe. होश से काम लेना, जोश से मत लेना. Because also it's film making. You know, आप एक it's a magic show. तो आप बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब असली में गायब मत हो जाना. It's a magic show. There's a trick to everything. You don't really beat up the other person. So it's a trick. Be safe. Make sure your co-actor is safe. And just honesty से करना. So उन्होंने वही बोला था because अगर आप जोश में आके hurt हो जाते हो, it affects the entire unit. 20 दिन तक वो घर पे बैठे रहेंगे. You know, shooting करना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. So that's the only thing that he said. But after watching the trailer, he was very, very impressed. He was like,
you know, the moment in movies for me this year has been that amazing monologue. I'm a huge fan of monologues with you and Paresh Rawal from Sanju.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that monologue just killed it, bro.
Totally.
You're working with Paresh ji again
in
this film. Are we going to see, you know, exchange of lot of words?
A lot of words, this time from him.
This one, okay.
Watch out for him. He's
absolutely.
spectacular in the film. That is one card. वो जो एक होता है ना हुक्म का इक्का अभी तक बाहर नहीं निकाला ट्रेलर में. That is one card that we've kept, and I mean he's a veteran. He's a chameleon, and we all know about it. वो ना कभी बूढ़े होते हैं ना कभी पुराने होते हैं. वो बस मतलब वो पता नहीं कहाँ से नई strokes निकालते हैं और वो खेलते रहते हैं middle of the bat. So he's that guy, and it's just been a dream come true for me to just get opportunities of working with him. And he's such a jovial, such a huge-hearted guy. इतना मजा आता है ना उनके साथ.
He's so funny.
He's damn funny. He is extremely funny. उनका इतना witty humor है ना. वो shot देते हैं और हंसी आती होती है. मतलब not like in a film like Uri, but उनका बहुत कमाल की personality है.
उनके बहुत कमाल के होते हैं one line.
याद है कोई?
अरे एक बार संजू में हुआ था.
बोलिए.
संजू में it was damn funny. तो एक scene कर रहे थे. So I'm a huge अंदाज अपना. Humongous अंदाज अपना. Who is it? Correct. So we were doing a scene where it was Paresh ji, Ranbir and me, and हमें तीनों साथ में थे और एक सीन परफॉर्म करना था. And just before action होने वाला था, परेश जी asked the chief AD, अच्छा सुनो, मेरा मार्क कहाँ है? And अब मुझे तो था कि सर आप तो तेजा हो, आपका तो मार्क तो आपने तो रखा कि तेजा मैं हूँ, मार्क किधर है? तो मैं और रणबीर दोनों की हंसी छूट रही है और हम दोनों एक दूसरे को देख रहे हैं कि बॉस तू हंस रहा है कि नहीं हंस रहा है. और हमने जो कंट्रोल किया अपनी हंसी, पता नहीं बुरा ना मान जाए. फिर हमने बाद में जाके बोला था कि सर आप जब भी मार्क पूछते हैं ना, हम कैरेक्टर के बाहर चले जाते हैं क्योंकि हम अंदाज अपना में पहुंच जाते हैं. तो अरे चल उठ.
Besides him being a fabulous, great, legendary actor and a citizen of India, he's also having a responsibility because he is a member of parliament
as well.
And when these attacks happened, I'm sure he was a member of parliament. He was actively involved in politics, I assume. But what goes through a mind of someone who is responsible as well, like someone like him? Have you shared this instance with him about the Uri, or has he, spoken his heart out?
Not about Uri, but he mentioned a lot of bureaucratic protocols, bureaucratic behaviors, what is the structure of bureaucracy in our country. किस कौन सी बात कहाँ जाती है, फिर क्या क्या जगहों से आके एक प्रोसेस होके बात निकलती है. सो ऑल ऑफ दैट वाज रियली हेल्पफुल टू अस. ऑल ऑफ दैट वाज रियली न्यू टू अस बिकॉज ये एक आम जनता को नहीं पता लगता कि अच्छा इतने हायरार्की से होते हुए एक बात आती है एंड देन इट गेट्स डिसाइडेड कि अच्छा ये करना है. इट्स नॉट इन अ डिसीजन दैट वन पर्सन टुक. सो वो सब थोड़ी बहुत जानकारी हमें पता लगी. एंड ऑल्सो ही इज बिकॉज ऑफ द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दैट ही होल्ड्स, ही इज रियली एक्टिवली इन्वॉल्व्ड in what's happening in the politics between the two countries, in the states, around him. So वो उनकी एक constant
एक parallel
चल रहा होता है उनका. वो हमेशा चल रहा होता है. In his talks, in his discussions,
in his perspective, it's always
you know, when you do a realistic film like this, I wanted to tweet, but I didn't tweet it because I wanted Uri to be as pure as it is, and it is pure. But today I want to, you know, I mean, we always have a reference point to something, right? After the trailer, it was like, wow, we finally have our own Hurt Locker or the 0.30, you know, because when we see those films, we don't see films, we think we are actually in a battle zone.
Yeah, it's like a docudrama.
Yeah. If you recall, I think LOC Kargil and Border were those two gigantic war films that India made. But something like this, would you call it as real, as gritty as possible? I think
why you have those references in mind is because the novelty of this film is this is the first war film in India that is mission based. It's not India-Pakistan. It is mission based. It was an operation, why it happened, how it happened, and the execution of it. It's just that. That's why it reminded you of Hurt Locker. That's why it reminded you of 0.30 because those are also mission-based films, operation-based films.
Right.
It's not just America versus Afghanistan.
Well said.
You know, so I think the novelty of the film is it's the first time you're gonna say कि एक operation जब decide होता है, how the army, the defense, the intelligence, ISRO, DRDO, all those departments come together in harmony, in complete, efficient, skillful, blissful harmony, and they just do an operation like in 10 days.
Wow.
It's not easy. Why this is special also because it's got a very high emotional quotient. Like just to give you a factual trivia about it is that whenever a surgical strike happens, it's only the special forces who are allowed to conduct that because they are trained for that. This particular operation इसमें डोगरा रेजिमेंट और बिहार रेजिमेंट के भी ये जो आर्मी होते हैं नॉर्मल, दे हु आर नॉट स्पेशल फोर्सेस, दे वर इंक्लूडेड इन द ऑपरेशन बिकॉज द लाइव्स दैट वर लॉस्ट, द लाइव्स दैट वर मार्टियर्ड इन द उरी अटैक, दे बिलोंग टू द डोगरा रेजिमेंट, दे बिलोंग टू द बिहार रेजिमेंट primarily. So they wanted to use that emotion of the army people, army officers who had lost their brothers, who had lost their roommates, and that they wanted to use in this operation. So it's not just tactical, it's not just that. There was a very high emotional quotient where the army took a stand saying that this is it, this is enough. They can't reach our tents and do this. We have to give an answer. And they gave it in just 10 days. And in a way that every person, every army official got back and had their breakfast the next day in our own country safe and sound.
Salute बनता है.
Salute तो बनता है boss, बहुत बड़ा वाला.
Okay. I want to ask you, Yami, a guy like him will have a reference point, right? Because he's a soldier and you know, there's a gun and you know, the way he's... I overheard you in your last interview that it is as good as Ranveer playing, you know, in Padmavat. You had to dress up and took time. But you, for a character like you, there isn't a reference point.
Yeah, that's right.
And does it become completely relying on the script that you have to portray exactly that?
Absolutely, on script, and I never had the privilege to meet Mr. Ajit Doval, for example, but Aditya Dar, our director, he had. And so whatever inputs I could take from him, whatever little instances that we all would sit together and share, and I think that also kind of created some kind of a vision in my head. And when I asked Aditya that, you know, what more can I do, what more can I read, what more homework can I do, what more research can I do, he said, you know, you can do. I mean, I can tell you technically what all you can, but actually you will not find your character anywhere out there. You will find it from within. You have to explore your character from inside. That's in you. So the character, she's not somebody who's not a part of you. She's also new. You just have to explore. And the most important thing about intelligence officers or in services are that you have to be, even you could be one and I would never know.
I'm sure he is.
Thanks.
I overheard you in that other interview that
already
you gave. Spy mode on.
Stealth mode on.
Yeah, so there's nothing pretentious as a performer, you don't have to do anything which is pretentious about you.
Yeah.
You don't have to do anything extra. You don't have to put any extra focus on a certain word to make it sound like that because that's how they will talk. No, that's too dramatized, probably what we've seen before. And that's, I think, as an actor, even the kind of approach and people are connecting with such nuances in performances also. Like, for example, in Sanju, we played a Gujarati boy and he's absolutely he's a hardcore Punjabi guy.
Tell me about it. I'm a Patel.
But one of the most important and one of the most interesting things that I found in his performance, I'm just taking his example just to kind of for an answer, that I could never see this Vicky in him. I thought he was born like that, probably who I'm seeing. It's not that he's... Sometimes, you can see that effort in somebody's performance, that even if you've got the right diction...
He made it his own.
Yeah, you've got the right nuances, you've got everything right. Yeah. But still, what is it that's the difference between... That's still an act. So that's only when you get it from within.
The irony is that you guys have made a film called Uri, The Surgical Strike. And the reality was, of course, that Uri's backlash also resulted in the film industry going through a traumatic time where Pakistani actors and technicians were banned to, to work in India. And it is these things that really mess it up, right? What do you have to say about that?
I know it's a serious question, but I'll tell you a very fascinating story about it. How this film is really related to this discussion of Pakistani artists being banned or not. Because Aditya Dhar, the writer and director of our film, Uri, was going to direct a film with Fawad in it when the Uri attacks happened, and he was just 20 days away from going on floors. Fawad was already in Pakistan, who could never come back to India because of what happened. And this guy had to shelve his film. He went back to Delhi, disheartened, to his family, and he started researching on the subject कि यार ये हुआ क्या है कि मेरी फिल्म ही बंद हो गई, ये क्या Uri attack हुए जो मेरी फिल्म बंद हो गई. And he started researching on that. He made a script out of it, and the reason why he couldn't make his first film is his first film today. It's bizarre. It's bizarre. You know?
Unbelievable.
Yeah. But coming to the discussion that you said, see, I feel मैं जब ये हुआ था, and it was, my mind was also dilly-dallying कि अच्छा यार ये सही है या गलत है.
Exactly.
क्योंकि उन्होंने personally तो कुछ नहीं किया या क्या है. But I used to feel कि how else to give a silent protest? How else? How else? कि आप बोलो कि नहीं हम नहीं allow करेंगे ताकि you go and question your own government. You go and question your siyasat or administration that what are we doing? Why are we going so wrong? Or what is going on? That we have to face this in the next in our adjoining country. मुझे वो भी लगता था, but at the same time you feel कि how would an army person feel who's lost his brother?
Exactly.
And then get to know that कि अरे यार somebody like my neighbor is going for a film of a person who's belonging. It's sad that he's just an artist. Yeah. He's just a civilian who probably loves Indians, who loves like Pakistanis and Indians equally. Like we would love कि यार हम भाईचारा बढ़े और सब कुछ सही हो, एक दूसरे के ट्रैवल करें सब कुछ. तो वो एक अनफॉर्चुनेट फीलिंग है. But at the same time, I would rather have that one army official feel okay and not what is that? Not feel unfair about it.
Yeah.
That कि यार हम तो यार क्या क्या कर रहे हैं देश के लिए और यहाँ तो टिकटें बिक रही हैं. Whatever it could be.
He's right. It's about taking respecting the stand that they've taken for the entire country selflessly.
Sure.
We don't even know their names. We don't even know how many of them they are there standing just to protect us and take a bullet for us. And that's the least what we can do. So if you actually see, and not just them, their families as well, that's the least what we can do.
And it's not personal. It's not personally against that particular artist or that particular artist. It's not that. It's just, it's a statement. It's an emotion.
You both just mentioned that times have changed for the better in the industry, especially great time for the actors, directors, storytelling, superb
absolutely.
time. Okay. I just want to, it just randomly occurred in my mind right now, who's a fan of PlayStation or Xbox? Who plays?
Once upon a time, Counter-Strike, big fan.
Used to, right?
I know.
Engineering
I
student.
was thinking that, wow, here's a film called Uri, and in a marketing of the first ever kind in India, what if we release a game?
People are already in the comments comparing it to PUBG and Counter-Strike and Call of Duty.
Call of Duty and all, yeah,
सब
exactly.
उसी के साथ compare कर रहे हैं. And
Would that be lovely?
It would be, and I feel great pride in knowing that they're comparing to these games because they found it to be that realistic. They found it to be that no nonsense, no bullshit kind of a film that they were like, oh, this just feels like the games that we play. And also knowing that, okay, there's a connect, you know. So वो अच्छा लगता है, but yeah, that's a great idea.
Okay, from the stealth mode to the fun mode, ladies and gentlemen, the man and the woman. I like addressing you both as man and woman just because the introduction said so. But yeah, okay. And this Akrot is gonna play Dumb Charades. ठीक है. हाँ रख दो.
ठीक है, देख लिया?
हाँ देख लिया.
हाँ जी.
Okay. Okay, this is interesting.
2 words. Hindi, English.
हिंदी है?
हाँ.
Hindi है.
Okay.
चश्मे को दूर.
अरे 1 मिनट. नहीं मैं फिल्म बोल रहा था. Okay. Good one.
That's a good guess.
Yeah.
हाँ. Okay.
Second one.
दिल.
Heart.
Heart. दिल लगी.
जाने मन.
दिल लगी.
जान.
जानशीन.
इश्क. कमबख्त इश्क.
प्यार.
Okay.
इश्क.
पहला वर्ड.
पहला वर्ड इश्क.
नहीं, दूसरा वर्ड इश्क है.
अच्छा.
हाँ. पहला वर्ड. सलाम है इश्क. हाँ.
एक.
दूसरा. डेढ़ इश्क है.
Well done.
Oh.
डेढ़ इश्क है.
I was gonna say इश्किया, but then I was like ये तो एक ही
मैंने बोला
word
अच्छा
है.
ठीक है. इश्क है तो ठीक है.
Okay.
Good one, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
हाँ.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right.
Let's see if I
You wanna try?
Okay. Are you good at dancing?
Dirty dancing.
Are you?
I might. Okay. 1 word. 2 words. Hold on. I'm confused. 2 words. Okay, it's a 2-word film.
2-word film.
समंदर. एक मिनट. 2-word film.
Yes,
हिंदी फिल्म है ना? हिंदी फिल्म है ना?
हाँ.
हिंदी फिल्म.
Okay. Dancing के बारे में.
अच्छा, चलो एक.
Okay.
2 words.
हाँ. First word.
इस second word ही खत्म.
हाँ ठीक है. Second word. 6. हिंदी फिल्म है. और जिसका 6. हाँ. Okay. First word. Oh, where are you from? Delhi.
चल कोई बात नहीं.
दे देते हैं हम चंडीगढ़ but
चंडीगढ़
okay.
पर दिल्ली 6.
Delhi 6.
Yeah.
So that's 6 ना? अच्छा हाँ. Okay, that's 6. Well done.
I was doing Masakali step for you. And that's why I asked you.
मुझे लगा ये समंदर में पहुंच जाएगा.
तो वो DDLJ था.
तो वो कबूतर थे ना? Okay, anyway.
अब हाँ हम ही
फिर से. आपको नहीं देखना है ना? हाँ आपको
इनको
देखना है.
देखना है.
Oh, easy.
कैमरा में दिखाऊंगा.
चलो रखो. बहुत easy है. 2 सेकंड में आ जाएगा.
हम कैसे नहीं करते, हम कहीं और नहीं.
Okay. हाँ अगर कैसे ना करें फिर. 4 words. 4th word. चूड़ियाँ.
स्किन.
हाथ. 2 आंखें 12 हाथ टाइप.
टाइप
हो गया.
अच्छा ओके.
हो गया. पति गयो.
ओके.
ये पर कितने शब्द है. अच्छा छोड़.
मौसम को पकड़ो, भावनाओं को समझो.
भावना. कुली.
Yeah.
नंबर 1. यार ये बहुत इजी थी. टीम.
Exactly.
Oh my god. Okay, this is going to be interesting. रख दीजिए.
ऐसे डिफिकल्ट मांगा आ गया.
आ गया.
2 words.
Yeah, kind of. Okay, whatever.
Okay.
Second
I'll
word.
make it difficult acting. So I don't know acting, but still. Okay. Second word.
Okay. But why? अच्छा.
Writing.
Right. दिखना. पन्ने.
पढ़ने पलटना. Writer. पढ़ना. Writer.
English. Study. Learn.
Writings. Reader. Reading. Study. Writing.
लिखना.
Philosopher.
Writer.
मैं
लेखक.
लिख रहा हूँ तो मैं क्या बनता हूँ.
I'm making it difficult.
Why?
The first word I can't act.
Okay.
Even though I want.
Is it a name? The name of the film is a name? It's a proper noun?
No.
Okay.
Why are you asking me? It was difficult.
I'm just making it difficult for you also.
Okay. Second word. Yeah.
Writing.
लिखना.
पढ़ने पलट रहे हो.
Group study.
What do we magazine?
Script.
Script. Oh.
Script.
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 Magazine script. No, script.
Script.
Is it an English word at least?
Yes.
Okay.
Script.
कितनी पुरानी और नई है फिल्म? नई है फिल्म?
नहीं है फिल्म?
नहीं है?
नहीं.
हिंदी फिल्म है?
स्क्रिप्ट विकी की फिल्म है.
नहीं, मैं तो जैकेट देख के बहुत.
अच्छा. स्क्रिप्ट.
पता नहीं क्या मंटो तो नहीं बोल रहे.
फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में द मैन एंड द वुमन, आई टेल यू.
बाउंड स्क्रिप्ट.
देख रहे हो?
क्या है? I'm very inquisitive.
Okay.
Act na. Try the first word.
Kissing. मतलब और वर्ड क्या होता है kissing का? Making love.
French kiss.
Kissing, embracing, hugging.
तेरा ही वर्ड है. गपागप.
गपागप. तो गपागप बोलो. गपागप.
हाँ.
Sex.
Give up.
What is that?
Script is also the story.
What?
Huh?
Last
Oh.
stories.
Oh.
That was tricky.
Last stories. अब ये script का दूसरा नाम story guys. Story.
Oh.
Oh my. This was my favorite film when I was growing up.
Okay, I have to guess.
VHS
I
होती
have to
थी
guess this. I have to guess.
I've seen this 75 times at least.
Yeah.
70. Okay, go for it. नहीं मुझे शब्द ही बट वही मत दे वर्ड्स.
नहीं देना पड़ेगा.
देना.
5.
अच्छा. 5 शब्द. हम है राही प्यार के मोह.
पहला वर्ड.
लम्बूजी डिंगूजी. अमिताभ बच्चन की फिल्म. ओके सॉरी. हाँ ओके. फर्स्ट कौन सा वर्ड है ये? टॉल. लंबा. Shit. You're gonna hit me if I can't guess this one. Vicky Kaushal can't be pregnant.
हाँ निकल लिया आप.
Sorry. Who am I? Actor. आदमी. पुलिस. क्या है? रॉयल. महाराजा.
एक सेकंड.
सैफ अली खान.
ओके.
तैमूर.
नहीं. हाँ.
तैमूर. I guessed the word तैमूर.
No. अच्छा forget it. ये याद है?
शहनशाह.
डायलॉग.
रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप. बाप.
ये पहला वर्ड है.
बस. भगवान. हे भगवान. हाँ. बाप is the first one. Now the third word. बेटा. Okay. Fourth word. उंगली. हाथ ना तो 4 5 6 7 8 9 10.
हाँ.
बाप नंबरी बेटा 10 नंबरी. Well,
Shakti Kapoor and
you guys played well,
Kader Khan sir.
and you know what? I've got you a surprise. To the man, I present you.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow, I love it.
And you know what? I could not think
I
of.
love it.
I couldn't think
man.
of gifting you anything better, but the most gorgeous lady in the house needs to get the most gorgeous guy.
Because I'm the only lady in the
Oh,
house.
James.
Oh.
But
That's
I
really
love this
sweet.
book.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you
welcome.
so
Yours
much.
too.
Thank you.
Thank you.
James Dean will live. These are
Baap Aadmi.
Baap Aadmi.
Big fan, man. Big fan. So what is this? Like he talks about his films or what?
Yeah, it's a retrospect of all
ये
his.
मैं पढ़ने वाला. I'm not much into books, but
I love your message. It's only apt to give a
Excuse
gorgeous
me.
lady like you.
Okay.
Do you have a message? Yeah. Like a gorgeous looking man.
Yeah, so
How sweet. Thank
would
you.
love to see you do the Jack Rabbit Slims twist someday. The Tarantino movie.
How
That's very sweet of you,
How
Devansh. He's also
sweet.
gifted me another book earlier also in
The
my
Casablanca.
past, in my
Yeah,
past interview. It's very sweet of you.
You're welcome.
Thank
man.
you. Thank you,
You're welcome.
Devansh.
God bless you guys,
Thank
and
you
all
so
the best for
much.
Uri.
Thank you. Thank
You know,
you.
it's such apt, but to say this word before I end this, kill it.